It's time for Mona.
Everybody, and today we're at the park, and Stitch, me, and you guys, we're going on a vacation trip. When I don't have school, I always go at the park, and I would ride my bike, and Stitch is joining us. So let's go. And what do you guys think about my outfit? Guys, do you know what time season is this? This is fall, and it's the best season ever because I was born in fall, and it has a lot of leaves, and we can always jump on them. Let me show it to you guys. We jump on a leaf, I can throw them. Peekaboo! For a break. Let's drink some water. Water is really healthy, and you guys should drink it a lot and don't waste it. Guys, now we're going at the park. I can't wait. All the swings and slides, so let's hurry. Let's go to the park. There you go. Let's go. Bye. Hurry to the park. Okay guys, we made it at the park, so let's go. Okay guys, now we're going on the slide. Let's go. Let's go on the red one. Hello guys, let's go down on the red slide. First Stitch. Bye Stitch. Now my turn. Whee! Let's go somewhere else. We're going on the green slide. Okay, let's go together. Me and Stitch. Whee! Let's go somewhere else. Okay guys, let's climb on Stitch. And we made it to the top. Wow, the earthquake! Wow! Let's go on the top. I reached it to the top. Now it's time for a break. And let's get some music on. My favorite song. Bye guys. And leave a like and subscribe to my new videos.